Dear student or students, all are welcome to Kundu Sir online classes, English grammar class related to tense. In the last class I have discussed about present tense. Now today I will discuss past tense. Past tense as we can classify past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. So then action is related, time of action, that is action of a verb is related with tense. That means action is related with a time, then continuation, then completeness also. Then past indefinite tense, that means activity or action is already completed, and past continuous was continuing for time and completed, and past perfect action completed before another action was completed. And fourth one, perfect, past perfect continuous tense, started action, continued for time being and completed. Now we have mentioned I have mentioned to verb here go, went, gone. Go is in the present tense, in the past tense went, and past participle form is gone. Then do, did, and PP form is done. So what is the rule? That is, I am discussing now simple past tense or past indefinite tense for the verb go. So that is equal to subject plus main verb in past form plus subject plus main verb in the main verb in the past form. That means I went, we went, you went, you went, he or she went, they went. That means subject plus main verb in PP plus extension if any as object. I went, that means I is the subject, went is the main verb in the past form, and there may be any extension of the sentence, it should be added here. So it is first person singular, first person plural, second person singular, second person plural, third person singular, third person plural. That means I have already explained, that is, it is indicating the action, it is indicating, or it indicates. You can write also it indicates. It indicates what? It indicates an action. It indicates action which was completed in past, which was completed in past. It is the past indefinite tense, first person singular, first person plural, second person singular, second person plural, third person singular, third person plural, and it indicates an action which was completed in past. Next, I am going, that means we are also can take the help of do verb. Then what I did, we did, you did, he or she did, they did. It is applicable also in case of do verb. Now we are going to past continuous tense. Now I am going to past continuous tense. It is past I have already in brief was continuing and completed, but duration of continuation is less as compared to perfect continuous tense. That means first of all I write the sentence and I will brief in just after that. That means the rule subject plus be verb in past tense plus main verb with ing, Now subject, we have chosen the go verb for first person. Be verb is was, main verb go with ing, I am going, first person singular number, then be verb is was and main verb with ing. It is the thumb rule for past continuous tense. I was going to school or whatever, maybe I was going to school. We, then be verb is according to we are going to school. You are going to school. You are going to school. He or she or he was, be verb is was, according to subject, going to school. Next, third person plural, they are going to school. That is, I was going to school, we are going to school, you are going to school, you are going to school, he or she was going to school, they are going to school. That is, it is the subject, it is the be verb, was in singular, were in plural, main verb go with ing, and thereafter to school is the rest thing we are adding with it. That is extension of this sentence. Now I am briefly writing the fundamental rule of this. What is it indicates? What is it indicates? An action is action. What is indicate an action which was continuing in the past, which was continuing in the past. That means just I have completed the past continuous tense. I was going to school, we are going to school, you are going to school, you are going to school, he or she was going to school, they are going to school. Now we are switching over to past perfect tense. Activity or action is completed before another action was completed. That is why I will explain the rule again. past perfect tense. I am writing now past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, the past perfect tense. Rule: subject plus had. In the present perfect tense, have or has, the past tense of auxiliary verb is had, and form of has verb in the past tense also had. The subject auxiliary verb in case of present perfect tense have or has, here auxiliary verb is only had. Then main verb in third form or third form, that is equal to past participle form or usually PP form, that is subject plus had plus main verb in third form, or it is called past participle form or PP form. Then it is the rule. So we are now we are discussing with reference to go verb now. I had gone to school. Then we had gone to school. That means subject plus had plus main verb in third form, go, went, gone, and to school. We had gone to school. Now in the second person, you had gone to school. For second person plural, you had gone to school. Then third person singular in the past perfect form, she or he had gone to school. Then they plural third person, they had gone to school. That means I am expressing in word also, it indicates which had been completed. It indicates what? It is indicating an action. In action, which had been completed, which had been completed before another action was completed. Before another action was completed. Now I will discuss the past perfect tense. Now past perfect continuous, that means activity or action was started and continued, but it is not continuous continuing, it is continued for some time. It is not continuing only, continued, that means started and continued sometimes and completed. So I will write the fundamental rule for this and give some example also, taking some verb. Then past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous tense. What is the rule for this? Subject plus what will write? Have been, has been in case of present continuous tense, but here have also had, has also had, that is had been, that also had been, plus main verb with ing, main verb with ing for continuation. So we are taking here the same verb. I, first person singular, I had been going to school. We, first person plural, had been going to school. Then second person singular, you had been going to school. You, plural, second person, you had been going to school. And third person singular, he or she or he had been going to school. They, plural, third person, they had been going to school. That is, I have explained, I had been going, we had been going, you had been going, you had been going, he or she had been going, and they had been going. And now I am briefing again it indicates. What is indicates? It indicates an action which started and continued for some duration, continued and completed in the past, and completed in the past. Was no more today. Now I am concluding the class related to past tense. In the next class, that is part 3, also the class number 3 related to tense will be conducted very shortly. All of you once again thank, and with a request to learn it. Thank all.